Welcome to another video from Destinations A to Z. I'm Glenn Bailey. We're going to do a review today on this gas grill right here behind me. It's the Smoke Hollow gas grill from Camping World. Yes, this video is not sponsored by Camping World or the Smoke Hollow gas grill company. This gas grill right behind, I actually purchased it, but we're going to do you a non-biased review. We're going to let you know the features and how the meals turn out. We're going to cook some burgers on it, and you'll get to see the while they cook and act. As you can see right here, there are 3 buttons in the front. This is a 3-burner gas grill. You do have one on the left, one in the center, and one on the right. The one in the center is for your smoker. You have a drawer here to put your wood chips right in here, and then slide those in, and then that smokes them up. And then you've got your grease tray right down here at the very bottom. Then you've got the 2 burners here, one on each side. You have 2 tables that actually fold up right here. On one here, you got a table extension underneath here. You can see it down in here on this one. So you've got 2 side tables that fold up as well. Here's the inside. You can see where I've already cooked on it yesterday, but we're going to cook on it today and show you how it does. And yes, it is a full-size propane gas grill bottle of 20 pounds. And here you can see the temperature controller, that you can actually see the temperature internal. Even though the sides get hot and the center doesn't, you're going to see the temperature for the whole grill instead of the where the hot spots are. The only way to tell what the temperature is on the actual grill itself from the various areas is actually an infrared thermometer, where you could actually flash accordingly and show the hot spots. Here you can see what we got on. We're toasting the buns. We got 2 burgers and we got some Mexican street corn. So we're going to let you know how this works out. We'll let you know how it cooks it, and we'll show you the after pictures as well. So here you can see the finished product. I did get my bun just a little bit burnt. The corn turned out okay, and so did the burger. We're going to let you know how they taste, and we'll let you know the final result once we get done. Here you can see exactly where the hot spots are on the right and the left side of the grill. The center is definitely cool. And here's after flipping the burgers. You can see the back one back here. It's actually getting done quicker. So here on the grill, you have a hot spot on this section here and a hot spot on this section here. And because of your smoker here in the center that is in this drawer, and right here is your burner for that, so what ends up happening is this whole section here is actually a cool area, and it's hard to get this to heat up like the side sections. So that's the one downside I'll have to say about the grill. There you have it. We just showed you where the hot spots were and where the cool spots were on this gas grill. The gas grill is okay, but out of 5 stars, I would only give this gas grill 2 stars, simply because there's hot spots and cold spots in this grill. It's very difficult to cook over the entire grill and utilize this for feeding a large family when you're camping out. So again, this is a non-biased review. I purchased this gas grill here from Camping World. I would consider it a 2-star grill again out of a 5-star, simply because of that. But again, it is a smoker, so you can smoke your meat in here as well. But now the key question is, the next time I'm actually going to check it out with smoking, and we'll see how it does under that one, and I'll provide that review here as well. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this information has been helpful. Hope to see you guys on the next, and then remember, safe travels.